Upgrading from the GoPro Hero 7 Black to the GoPro Hero 9 Black. And I'm excited to see 5K and I'm excited to see the 20 megapixel photos. Now, should everyone upgrade to this? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever it is, wherever you are. Welcome back to the channel, everyone. If you don't know already, my name is Adam. I put out hunting videos, I put out fishing videos, and I put out unboxing videos just like this every once in a while. If you like any of that stuff, hit that subscribe for me. I'd really appreciate it. If you already have a GoPro 9, start off by hitting that like button. It'll really help me. I got the GoPro Hero 9 sitting right back here, but before we get into it, it's like 40 degrees out and I'm in a t-shirt. I think I need to put on a sweater. I actually might just have the thing because I just got the mail yesterday and I didn't open anything yet. Let's see what we got. Alright, let's get right into it. I think you have a little, there you go. This is a hoodie by AFCO. It's actually called the Reaper in the mossy oak color. Yeah, let's open it up and see what it looks like. Let's get right into it. I'm excited. Actually really cold right now. If you know what the Reaper is, then you know what you're about to see. It's a very, very nice hoodie. So this is actually a size large. But this isn't what today's video is about. Let's just put this on so I can get ready and do the unboxing because I'm freezing. Alright, so the sun's coming up right now, the birds are chirping. It's starting to get a little bit warmer, but I still need to put this on, so let's go. Alright, just like that, glasses aren't the move with this. But, this is a cool hoodie. I feel warm already, and you know, with everything going on right now, we can survive. Okay, I know this video is not about this sweater, but I just want to shout out AFCO, because they made a really good sweater. If you actually want to buy this, I'll put in a link down below in the description box. But anyway, yeah, so I'm thinking about going inside to make this video. I second guessed myself. I thought I'd beat all the traffic, all the cars, all the birds that are chirping over there in the trees. Dang birds, come on, I'm trying to make a video. I thought I'd have a nice quiet morning to do this unboxing outside. Yep, see, here goes another car. This is gonna be perfect for me when I go. Really? This is gonna be perfect for me when I go hunting. Alright, you know what? We're just gonna go inside because these birds are relentless. Let's get to it. Today's Thanksgiving, so happy Thanksgiving to everyone. Alright, so let's get started. What's up, everybody? Adam here, and now we're inside. It's a day later. I trimmed my beard, combed my hair back. I look a little more presentable than I was in the little first 2 minutes of the video. Anyway, it's enough talking about it. Let me take a sip of my coffee. Yeah, that tastes good. Alright, so what we have here is the GoPro Hero 9 bundle. It's a Black Friday deal. You save $200. You get the GoPro Hero for $349.98 with a 1-year subscription to GoPro. The bundle includes a magnetic swivel clip. It comes with a floating hand grip, a spare battery, and a 32 gigabyte SD card. Also, it comes inside a camera case. But let's open it up and see what it looks like. I got my trusty unboxing knife. Let's open this up. Yes. Alright, so here it is. The GoPro Hero 9 Black. Alright, so there's a pull tab at the bottom. Just pull that, it should open right up. Yeah, it's a really nice case. Comes with, here, let me move my coffee out of the way. Alright, so let's open her up. So we got the floating hand grip. We got the GoPro Hero 9. We have the SD card, which is up here. 32 gigabytes. This will be the swivel clip. And it comes with 2 batteries. One's the battery that comes in the camera, and one is a spare, which is great. The new GoPro's features is 20 megapixels. It also can reach 5K at, I think 5K at 30, and then it's 4K at 60 frames per second. I was hoping to see 4K at 120 frames per second. Maybe they'll do that in the next one. But that was something I was looking forward to. Also, it says you can live stream in 1080p, which is pretty cool. So GoPro's right here. You get 30% more battery life on this compared to the other GoPro. I think the GoPro 8. So that makes it a little bit bigger. I'm going to compare the GoPro Hero 9 I have right here. This is the 7. I'm upgrading from the 7. Alright, so in comparison, here's the two cameras. You can tell it's a little bit bigger. It's a lot bit bigger, actually. The screen's a little bit bigger. But what we have here, what we have on this GoPro, which we don't have on this one, is this front display camera. I'm pretty excited to see that too. You can frame out your shots before you shoot them, because with the GoPro, you're pretty much blind. You just gotta have to have the eye for it. But yeah, look at that battery. This battery compared to the GoPro 7 is like almost as big as the camera itself. 30% more battery life with this new battery. It's bigger. That's why they made the GoPro bigger. You have the detachable lens here, and in the GoPro Hero 8 they took that away, and I guess a lot of people didn't like that. I mean, I never really changed the lens, but I'm thinking about trying it, maybe getting a couple polarized lenses and see what you know, it turns out to be. But also it has Hypersmooth 3.0. Now I have heard about the Hypersmooth 2.0 and the GoPro Hero 8, which was phenomenal, and they said there was a gimbal killer. But now the Hypersmooth 3.0, I mean, I'm not saying you should run around and shake this in your hand and think you're going to get a still shot, but it does have horizontal leveling. The horizontal leveling means if you're filming something and the GoPro turns like this, the horizon will still stay straight, even if you go like this. Even you can do a 360 shot. I'm pretty sure you saw it on the GoPro's commercial where the guy's in the plane and he does a loop-de-loop and it stays straight, which is awesome. That way you know your frame's always going to be framed properly. Wow. This front-facing screen is really cool. Check it out. I'm not sure if you guys can see it, but you can kind of see. There's the light. There's the camera I'm filming with. That's pretty cool. Let me put these down. You can see what I'm filming. Now you see what I'm filming on what I'm filming. Check it out. So the front-facing camera is really nice. It actually looks like it's probably like 720 or like somewhere in there. I'm not 100% sure what's the output, but it's pretty nice. I can frame up my shot. I know what I'm filming, and if I'm talking to the camera, I can vlog with it now. You know, this is like every vlogger's dream. You got a front-facing camera. You got something you're recording 5K. And it's decent when slow-mo, you know? That's everything you need. And what's even better is the stabilization is great. The Hypersmooth 3.0. I mean, I'm sitting here like all the micro jitters that you usually do when you're walking probably won't pick that up. But a full review of the footage and how I feel about it will be done over the next couple of days while I'm hunting, because I'm going to take this hunting with me and I'm going to be filming everything with it. I'll probably put it on the chesty. I might put it on the head mount. I'll probably just put it in the stand to I'm going to use all different angles and test it to its full ability. I'm really excited to have this product. I'm not sponsored by GoPro. I literally just bought it with my own money, and I have a right to say whatever I want about it because I'm not sponsored by them. However, I have high hopes that this will make definitely a game changer. I'm upgrading from the GoPro Hero 7 Black to the GoPro Hero 9 Black. I'm excited to see how the 5K shows up, and I'm excited to see the 20 megapixel photos that show up. Now, is it should everyone upgrade to this? Depends on your budget. If you don't have a GoPro already, I mean, yes, I would tell you to get the GoPro Hero 9 because it's a great deal right now, especially the Black Friday deal. You're getting it for $299 and you're paying $50 for the 1-year subscription, which includes up to 50% off on most products on GoPro's website for a year. Why not do that? You're going to need all these accessories. I mean, you already have a couple of them, starting with the bundle right here. But I'm going to be filming a lot with this in the next couple of days when I'm hunting. And I'll show you guys the results when I come back. Yeah, I pretty much said everything I wanted to say about the product. Anyways, if you like today's video, hit that subscribe for me, please. And I really appreciate it. And if you like anything you've seen in the video, whether it be the AFGO hoodie, whether it be the GoPro Hero 9, hit that like button. If you liked anything in today's video and you want to purchase it, I'll have a link down below in the description box. You click the link, it'll take you straight to Amazon, and you can purchase anything you see in this video, whether it be the GoPro Hero 7, whether it be the GoPro Hero 9, whether it be the Yeti cup. Anything you see in today's video, I will put down below. Appreciate you watching today's video, guys, and until next time, I'll catch you. So in comparison, they are, well, that's really great. Just dropped it on the freaking thing. The horizon.